Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's check in with TRON coin, which we haven't looked at in a little bit, show you what we did. So we had the projection last video, gave us this 2579 level, spiked through it, formed this sloppy double bottom reversal pattern just beyond it, reversed up strongly. So let me move this out of the way. We get the first cross rotation zone, pull back, and you keep doing, then you can do the GAN levels all the way up. Just wanted to show you, we did a major ABC correction pullback on this. So it was from the low right here up to this high projected from here, and we did the 0.625 and the 1.0. Just the 1.0 is still on here. You can see it spiking up through there and then hitting it again. Now we're watching for a pullback to the rotation zone. First key level we're watching for the 8 EMA coming in with the 25% retracement level of 0.04727750. If we break through that, we'll be watching for a return to the 0.04351625. Now, when it gets these levels, what are we watching for? A strong rotation back up. We can also project the next levels higher. This is getting a little overdone, so we might get that bigger correction right now. We're just going to go with the, let me adjust the background, the 12 and the 25 as normal. See how that's looking. So on the next rotation back up, the key levels we'd be watching for was 0.05727375 and 0.0597470. Let's, of course, check in with the daily chart. Daily chart. So this other spike high also corresponded to this prior key resistance. So you had selling pressure here coming in, selling pressure here coming in, selling pressure here, and now we have selling pressure again. So that lines up very nice. I'm going to take off that ABC correction, but you can see it clearly here. Here's the ABC, and there's the full target. So let's remove that now. All right, on a bigger pullback, we talked about that 0.0435 level. We got the hooking up 8 just above that, so that's going to be a really nice area. And then we have now the first cross rotation zone. So if we did have a bigger pullback, that's going to be the very interesting level, 0.0375. I'm not expecting us to pull back all that way unless the short-term top is in, but that's what you're going to be watching for. You don't want to close below the rotation zone again on the daily basis. Switching over to Stellar. Stellar came down, formed this nice potential double bottom. It's actually confirmed double bottom, but not triggered for us yet. We also had a divergence down there, so slightly lower price, higher RSI. Coming up here, it needed a close above the 0.2414137. No, sorry, I'm sorry. 0.243123 level, which we have not gotten yet. If we do get that, we're watching for move up stop target 0.2531, then 0.2581 first potential profit target, and 0.2631 second potential profit target. Again, that has not triggered. It went to a very key area on the daily chart, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, if this comes back down, forms a triple bottom, these levels are then invalid. If we break below this prior low, which means we've slammed in and the rotation zone is held on the daily, then we're watching for 0.21508 and 0.20787 for another potential reversal pattern. But if this doesn't trigger, we had a divergence and a double bottom that has not triggered, so that would mean more weakness in Stellar. Let's now check on that daily, what I was talking about. So you see on this rally up, slam straight into the 8 EMA again, now pulling back again. So it has not been able to get back through the bottom of the rotation zone. And prior on the last run up, it did close the rotation zone, then collapsed back down. You'll notice also at the 50% retracement level on the daily chart, which is coming in at 0.2193, there's also this 200 simple moving average, so that's a little cluster there I pay very close attention to, just below the prior levels that formed that double bottom. So we have for you on Stellar and Tron, and we will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.